You know this is a beater for a a stand mixer, a lift stand mixer sometimes they're called. Your KitchenAid mixer that can, you know, rotate up and down, and it's the big unit with the big metal bowls. For us, we've got a 5.5 quart one, I believe, and this is a replacement paddle that we have picked up. The reason we picked this one up is pretty simple. It's compatible with several models, the 5 quart all the way up to the 6 quart Pro, but the real reason we picked this up is because this one is stainless steel. A lot of these are enameled aluminum, which can become an issue as you're dealing with foods and as you're dealing with beating a lot of things. You know, these do take a beating. And so as they are doing that, if you've got one of those aluminum ones or those enameled ones, what happens is it starts chipping away at that annealing, chipping away at that enamel, shortening the life of these, where these stainless steel ones don't do that. There's no coating to flake or chip off. There's nothing to worry about it being worn away. It means that also you can throw it in the dishwasher to clean it. It's not a hand wash only type of situations like the aluminum ones. Overall, it makes a sturdier product. It's going to last a lot longer. And so if you are doing a lot of mixing, if you are cookies and you're doing mashed potatoes or meat prep and things like that inside of your mixer, check one of these out. I think you're going to love it. Maybe pick up one in stainless steel to save yourself a little bit of heartache.